Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget Kick. Today we have with us one more true wireless earphones from Noise and they are the AirBuds Pro. And in this video, we will do the unboxing and will tell you how they perform. So starting with the unboxing experience, in the front we have the Noise branding along with the picture of the earbuds. And here we have the model name AirBuds Pro and they are the truly wireless earphones. At the back we have the key features. The AirBuds Pro are available in few different colors and the one we have here is the pearl white variant. In terms of the key features, you get the quad mic, one key reset, transparency mode, hyper sync, up to 20 hours of playback time, and you get the active noise cancellation in these earbuds. The MRP of these earphones is Rs 7,999. However, right now they are available to purchase for just Rs 2,499. Now let's open the box and show you the content. So on the top first we have the documentation and we get the welcome card with the warranty information. Then we have the user guide which has the info about the features and the different touch controls. And then we get these noise stickers and below it we have the earphones itself. Here we have the charging case and the earbuds are inside the case. We will look at the earphone and the charging case in a moment. Let's see what else we have in the box. So we get the Type-C charging cable and here we have couple of extra ear tips. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's look at the earphones closely. Noise AirBuds Pro are the latest in the AirBuds series from Noise. And as the name suggests, they are the Pro version, which means they have more features than the previous AirBuds and the AirBuds Mini. Now talking about the design and the build quality first, looking at the charging case, we get this oval design and I find the build quality of this case very good. You have the glossy finish on it and the size of the case is decent. It's not too big or small. In terms of the overview, we have the Noise logo in the front and here at the bottom we have the Type-C charging port. At the back we have the button to reset these earbuds. The hinge quality of the case is very good and you can easily open the case with one hand. Now looking at the earbuds, they are magnetically attached to the case. In terms of the overview, we have the half in-ear style earbud with the silicone tip. And the build quality of these earbuds is also very good, and keeping in mind the pricing, the quality of both the earbuds and the case is definitely very good. In terms of the technical specification, we have the 10mm driver in these earbuds and you get the quad mic for calling. You also get the ANC support in these earbuds which can cancel the background noise up to 25 decibels. Apart from that, you get the IPX5 water resistant Hyper Sync which lets you pair the earphones without taking them out of the case. And also, you get good battery backup which is 4 hours in normal mode and 3.5 hours in the ANC mode. And with the case, you can increase the playtime up to 20 hours. Now, let's pair them with our phone and we'll tell you how the performance is. So for pairing, as mentioned earlier, we have the HyperSync technology in these earbuds. So just open the case and that's it, they're ready to pair. So the earphones are paired with our phone and here you can see the available codec and that is the AAC HD audio. Now let me quickly show you the touch controls. So a double tap on either of the earbud will pause and play music. Long press on the right earbud will take you to the next song. And long press on the left earbud will take you back to the previous song. Short press on the right earbud will increase the volume and short press on the left earbud will decrease the volume. Triple tap on the left earbud will enable Google Assistant or Siri. And guys, as we have the ANC mode in these earphones, you can toggle between the ANC, transparency and normal mode by triple tapping on the right earbud. Now let's talk about the sound quality. Starting with the comfort, we get the half in-ear fit with the silicone tips in these earbuds, which offers a perfect fit and they are also very comfortable. Make sure to use the right size ear tip so that you get the better fit and the sound quality. In terms of the sound, the bass is good, it's not too bassy and you get a balanced bass output. The highs are also good and the vocals, even though are loud and clear, but sometimes I find the vocals a bit muffled up. But again, that is acceptable, keeping in mind that they are the budget earphones. So in terms of music, I find the performance of these earbuds very good. And now about the ANC mode. The ANC mode sort of works and you can feel that it has cancelled the fan noise and the humming background noises. But don't expect it to work like AirPods Pro or any other premium ANC earbuds. In short, ANC and the transparency mode works, but do not expect anything extraordinary from these earbuds. Now talking about the performance a bit more, I have used these earbuds to watch movies and videos on YouTube, and I find the dialogue clarity good and they are also comfortable to use for long hours. We have also done a lag test and the latency for gaming is around 200 milliseconds. So for gaming, we do not recommend these earphones. Talking about the mic clarity, the quad mic setup in these earbuds works very well and you get good mic performance for voice and video calls. So overall, the latest Noise Airbuds Pro offers a good design and build quality, and most importantly, the sound quality is much better than some other earbuds in this price segment. The bass is good and the instrument separation is also very good. The ANC and the transparency mode works, but as mentioned earlier that it can only cancel the fan and humming noises. So let me put it that way, if you're planning to buy them only for the ANC mode, then you will be disappointed. But for music and movies, these earbuds performs very good, and overall, the Airbuds Pro is a decent package, especially at Rs 2499 price tag. And as usual, if you like them and want to buy one, then do check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and review of the Noise Airbuds Pro earbuds. Let us know if you like them, and also do tell us if you have any queries or questions about these earphones in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.